Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you! Okay guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you another unboxing. Your queen of unboxing. Okay guys, the unboxing for today is this one. It is delivered by DPD.
Bought from Amazon,
Bought
but
from...
delivered by DPD.
Oh, you bought it
On
from
their behalf.
Amazon, darling.
Yeah,
Oh, I don't know what it's in here, guys. So let's find it
that's
out.
actually your Christmas and New Year present.
Oh my gosh,
The main,
really?
the main one
The
for
main...
2021. Your main present.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry, I didn't get a chance to wrap it
Oh, okay, it's fine.
in Christmas wrapper.
The important thing is I have it.
Yes.
I love unboxing, guys. Let's see, what is this? I'm getting excited. Let's see. Ooh, I think I have a feeling. What is this about?
What is it?
Something like gadget.
Yes. Quite clever, Danny.
Something like gadget. You know that I always my instinct is always accurate sometimes. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! This is Samsung Galaxy.
Yes.
Oh my lord! Oh my gosh! This is amazing. Thank you so much, darling. How
You're
to
welcome,
open
my
it?
darling. I'm not sure. Careful not to tear. I think that label
This,
is...
the label.
Yeah, the label is stuck.
Oh, okay. Oh my god. Oh my. This is amazing. I thought I still have my mobile, darling.
Yeah, but in case one breaks down.
Also, you're expecting the other
Well,
one to break down.
remember recently the clock went wrong, the date went wrong completely, and we don't know why. And I had to put it on manual and do it manually.
Yeah, but
So that's signs of it breaking down.
sign of old age.
It's not really old. It's only a couple of years old, but
So,
just in case it does break down, then you'll have a spare. But this, you can start using this in the new year and just leave that one as a spare.
oh.
No point in buying it and then keeping it. You need to make sure it works properly anyway.
And I like the color. This is the color. This is my favorite color, guys. Let's see.
I
My
don't know if it will look like
gosh.
that. Careful.
Wow. Let's see. Samsung Galaxy AO3s. Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
That came out this year.
This year.
Yeah, a couple of months ago.
Oh, and it's a bit
But
heavy.
Yeah.
This is nice.
It would have been nicer if it was lighter, but the lighter ones are the more expensive.
Display. Oh my gosh, it's triple camera.
Yeah.
Triple. Fingerprint scan. Oh, I don't want to do that.
Yeah, you don't need to use that.
Yeah. Oh, so this is... How do you open this one? Oh, I see. I can see it. The plastic.
Yeah, don't throw that away.
Yeah.
Because we have to make sure it works first. If it doesn't,
Oh, okay.
to send it back. But hopefully it will be fine.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, so that's the triple camera.
Yeah.
There.
But I don't know what the other two are, really.
So I
I
can
have a
use the
feeling
three
you
camera
probably...
in one go?
No, it's just one.
Just one camera?
Yeah, one at a time. And there should be another one at the front. It's for selfies.
Oh, for selfie.
And when I read the reviews, the selfie at the front is 5 megapixel. The main camera at the back is 13 megapixel.
Okay, so... And
I think
there is a pin.
yeah, that's to open the thing to put the SIM card in. SIM card and memory card.
Oh.
So don't lose the pin, that's important.
Yeah, okay. Oh my god. Also, this is the headphone
Yeah, you
air.
don't need to open that, you can leave it as it is.
And this is the
It's for the charger,
for the charger.
the lead for the charger.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, it's very. It's short.
It's not too bad, they're all short
Oh,
these
really?
days.
Are all they like this?
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you so much, darling. I love my Christmas present. Love, love, love. Oh
You're welcome, my
my
darling.
god.
Merry Christmas, my darling.
Thank you, darling. Merry Christmas. What will I give you? You know, guys, I don't buy my stuff because I always get it. Whatever I need in life, I get it. I am so grateful for that. So is this for like there? And this should be like this. There.
Yes.
Oh, normally they put something in here, like for protection, you know.
Yeah.
But this is, and also this is this the one it can fold up?
Maybe, maybe not. I
Maybe
guess
not.
just like that.
So it's good because there is a name in here, Samsung. So
Yeah.
when it plugged, then I know which one is it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you always plug my mobile. Oh my! So this
It
needs.
can take the lid out, so I can so power line and switch it on. I don't know if it's charged. Normally they have them slightly charged,
Yeah.
so I can, if you know where the on switches. Should be a single switch on the side or on the top.
There is two in here, and then there is
And the double one is normally for the sound.
this
Single
one long one in here. Is that the one? There is one long.
It's not normally long.
It's
No,
not long.
that's
This
sound, I
is
think.
short and long.
So
The short
that's the
one.
short one, I presume. If not, we have to look at the instruction book.
Okay, so just.
Press it and hold it. If it
Yeah,
comes up.
it is! Oh my god, look at that. It's Android, powered by Android. Samsung Galaxy. Oh my gosh, I got my new mobile. Love it. Thank you, darling. Oh,
You're welcome, my love.
wow, amazing. I'm so
You
grateful.
need to take
This one.
the SIM card out of your other one and
And then put it
in
here.
here.
So the numbers will be the same number.
Hopefully, but the thing is, if you put any numbers in the mobile, not on the SIM card, then you probably won't get them. Obviously, you'll have to put them in one by one.
Oh, so all the contacts should be stored in
On the SIM, if there's enough space.
in the SIM.
Yeah, but no,
Not
you don't
on the
always
phone.
get enough space on the SIM.
Oh, so this is welcome. And yeah, welcome. And then it says start. Do
Yeah,
we need to start it now?
Yeah, you can do if you want.
So start. And then view legal items to review, end user license, product details, end user.
You want to do it a bit later?
Yeah, do
Finish
this a bit later.
finish the unboxing.
Yeah, so do this later.
You got one more item to open,
Yeah.
so you can.
Because I think it takes time to do the
Yeah.
setup, and also it must be focused on the phone.
Yeah,
Not
the
on,
only thing is you already started, so
yeah, not on my face.
yeah. I'll just stop this and then.
Yeah. Okay. So should I
Hang on.
say bye bye?
Not yet, because you got another one to open.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys. So this is it now. So it's already all set. So this is my new mobile. Oh my lord, it's amazing. This is my Christmas present. It's nice. I like the color. It's pinkish and purplish. That's my color. It's girly color. This is girly color, but I like the purple anyway.
How about the back?
Lilac.
That's blue.
And look at the black.
Blue.
Look at the back. So it's like bluish purple, is it?
Yeah.
This is bluish purple.
More
Not
blue.
really blue.
It is blue.
What I
Dark blue.
because I like purple. See, that is like that purple. So it's so nice. So I like it, guys. I'm so happy with my new mobile.
So open the additional.
Yeah. So this is my first.
That's your main
This is my
Christmas
main
and New
Christmas
Year present
Yes.
for
Okay.
2021
Okay.
Christmas.
And now I'm going to show you another unboxing. This is the additional of my present. Is it, darling? Is this
Yeah.
my present?
Yes.
Yes.
It's just
Wow,
something
I
tiny.
love presents.
Nothing special.
Yes, that's it. And let's see what's in there. Let's see, make sure. Because look at this, guys, and the
Huge
box.
box.
It's triple the size. Is it quadruple?
Yeah. More than good.
More than quadruple. Oh, this is the thing. What is it?
That's the case for your present.
This is the case of the mobile. Let me see how to open it.
They sell these separately.
Wow. Okay. There.
I hope it
Oh,
fits.
wow. This is nice. Wow. So amazing. Also, this really fits because this is
Should
wider here at the back.
yeah, made for that mobile.
Okay,
That model.
let's
Make sure you put it the right way
do
around.
it.
Yeah.
So this is the right way. So this is the right way. And
Clip and
yeah,
it on all sides. Press it in firmly.
yeah, it is all in.
Maybe you need to press it hard. Is there a hole there where you're pressing?
Yeah,
Or
why it doesn't?
is it switched off? Maybe keep your finger on it.
Does it?
Maybe the batteries run out
Oh,
because they're not fully charged.
yeah, because it's not charged. Maybe we have to charge it.
Yeah, but that is not going to reach anywhere.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, I see. Okay, so this is it, guys. So this is it. So it's nice. Yeah. So it's charging. Yeah. So it really fits.
Yeah.
Wow, amazing. And it's nice. I like the color.
Yeah.
Wow. So nice. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, darling.
You're welcome, my darling.
Amazing. So you know what I want, is it? You know what I like. You know what color I like.
Yes, I like the color as well.
You like the color as well. Yeah, because you like red.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow. That is nice. So I got lots of things in there. So I have to learn how to use it. I normally don't do Facebook or YouTube in here because it's too small and I can't really see that much. I wanted to see YouTube or Facebook on a bigger screen.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you do it on a tablet or
Yeah,
laptop
or
or your
laptop or my
desktop
desktop.
computer.
Yeah. And in here it's so difficult for me to see, so I don't use it. I only use this for calling, for
Yes. Calling and texts.
and texting, call and text. That's all. So it's a shame. It should be used for internet as well. Is it,
Yes.
darling? Yeah. And taking pictures as well.
The only thing for the internet is you need to connect it to the internet.
Yeah, you
And
can
it
use the data.
uses up because it's pay as you go. It uses up your
The data.
and
Yeah.
then
I know. So
works out more expensive in the end.
this one.
Maybe it didn't clip in properly.
Maybe it's still.
Yeah, it's not charged yet. It takes time to charge. We
It-
have to take it
Because I
upstairs.
pulled it. It's
We'll take it upstairs.
yeah.
Be careful.
Okay, guys. So this is charging at the moment. So let's leave it like that, charging. Okay, guys. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. So this is the unboxing for today. Yes. Thank you so much. I love you guys.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.